Hi everyone, Pierre from Into Fly Fishing. We just got back from an epic little trout session on a very small gin clear stream where we caught some fish and had great fun. While we got back to the car, I just thought I'd share with you some of the knots that I use to attach multiple flies to your leader. We've done a video about this previously where I showed you how to set up a dry drop rig or a Euro nymphing rig using a blood knot, attaching the flies in tandem to each other and attaching a tag into a tippet ring. I've learned a very quick and easy way that is super strong and it helps you to get your fly back into the water quickly. Okay, so to illustrate it, I've got this brightly colored orange line that indicates the line that comes from the rod, and this chartreuse colored line is this extra piece of tippet that you'll attach. So the first step is the same as a blood knot, is to align these two lines over each other. Give yourself enough line to work with and just wet it. It seems then if you wet it, it actually sticks together a little bit better. Then you form a loop by pushing the line over itself, and then you pinch it with your left hand between your thumb and your index finger. Give yourself a big enough loop because later on you will be pushing your index finger and your thumb through that loop. Now what you do is place your index finger through the loop, twist around 3 times, and now you place your thumb and index finger through it, and the two lines that's going to the bottom, the tag end and the new line you're attaching, just pull that through. Now grip all 4 lines and pull it slightly, and just before it goes tight, wet it with some saliva and then just pull tight. Now obviously this green line goes to the new fly or the bottom fly that you'll attach. This red tag goes to the dry fly or the top nymph. So all that we need to do is remove or clip off this top section of tippet. Just snip that off close to the knot, and that's it. This knot you can use on your Euro nymphing rig or you can use it on your dry dropper rig, but it's one of the strongest and quickest ways of doing it on the water. I hope that you found this little trick helpful, and it'll surely catch you more fish as you'll spend more time fishing than you'll actually do tying knots. Until next time, cheers.